Alright, picture this. You are driving along a highway, minding your own business, and suddenly you look up and you notice there's a river flowing above your head. There's no pipe, not a trickle of water, and it has boats cruising over it like it's no big deal. That is the Veluwemeer Aqueduct. It is found in the Netherlands. People who are like the masters of waterworks. Today we are unpacking this mind-bending water bridge and how it works. Let's get into it. So why build a water bridge? The Veluwemeer Aqueduct sits on Veluwemeer Lake, a lake that is connecting Netherlands to an island called Flevoland. Flevoland is an island that is made of 100% land. Yes, the Dutch are so good at waterworks that they created land from water. Literally, Wikipedia tells us that this is the largest artificial island that has ever been made since the 20th century. But the problem is, boats need to cross the lake to get there, and over 28,000 cars a day need to use this road called the N302 without needing to stop for a drawbridge. So solution, you create a floating canal that is over a highway. It is genius, and it has been built since 2002 and it has been working ever since. Okay, let's zoom out for a second. How do you make water stay up there? The Veluwemeer Aqueduct is like a giant bathtub. It is over 25 meters long, it is 19 meters wide, and it is 3 meters deep. And that is deep enough for small boats to cruise through. It took 22,000 cubic meters of concrete to make the aqueduct. That is like filling 9 Olympic swimming pools. The sides too are made of sheet piling, a way to prevent the water from leaking or dumping mud over the cars. Speaking of cars, the drivers driving the cars get to look up close to this view and see how surreal it is. In addition, pedestrian walkways are added to both sides of the aqueduct in order to allow road traffic. And below the bridge too, there is also pedestrian walkways beneath the bridge. So unlike a drawbridge that allows traffic flow one at a time, the Veluwemeer Aqueduct allows constant flow for both boats and the cars driving underneath. So you might ask, why not build a high bridge instead, or an underground tunnel? Well, the reason is both are expensive to build and it takes a longer period of time for them to get constructed. The Veluwemeer Aqueduct took just 4 years, started in 1998 and ended 2002, and it cost about $61 million to build. So you get a better bargain than building a high bridge or an underground tunnel. Another question you might ask is, how do the boats transfer over the aqueduct? Well, to explain that, we have to use Archimedes principle. It states that a floating body displaces a volume of water that is equal to its weight. So when the boat is passing over the bridge, it holds its own weight, but it displaces the water of equal weight. So the water will flow out to the ocean where the ends of the bridge are opened. The dead weight of the bridge will experience the same weight if there was a boat on it or not. Okay, why is this place such a big deal? Firstly, it looks weird because it looks like the water is defying gravity and it's a trick to the eye. And again, it's located in Harderwijk. Yeah, the name is there. It's like a small town with marine and can be used as a tourist attraction. So here's a cool, interesting fact you can take away from this video. The Veluwemeer Aqueduct is the shortest aqueduct ever, unlike German's Magdeburg Aqueduct, which is 900 meters long. The Veluwemeer Aqueduct is just 25 meters. So like, it's still a big flex from the Netherlands because they made it so compact, so easy, and Netherlands take pride in their waterworks. Yeah, it's a very mesmerizing view and it's really cool. I mean, if you show someone this picture and they wonder, is this real or is this CGI? And you'll be like, no, like that is where you get to explain things to people that engineering actually makes things possible. The Veluwemeer Aqueduct, a tiny 25-meter canal that allows passages between roads and water, reminds us that engineering does a lot. And the next time you see a canal or a tap, remember that, yeah, it is us engineers that do the job. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, please do like the button, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.